Today I will be showing you how to add background music in Card. To begin, click on Add Elements. This will open the list of elements that you can include in your card site. Next, select the Music option. This allows you to embed audio that can play directly on your card. After choosing music, paste the URL of the music you want to use into the provided field. Make sure the link is valid so the audio loads properly. Under the music settings, look for the Options section. From there, check Allow Background Play. This setting is important because it lets the music continue playing even when viewers navigate through different sections of your card. Once that's done, you can adjust the appearance and placement of the music element so it fits your design. Finally, click Done to save your changes. And that's how you add background music in Card. Thank you for watching.